Hi, my name is John Nemira, and I'm here on the campus of Salt Lake City Stevens Henniger College. And I want to talk to you very briefly today about advertising your business for free. The online is probably one of your best ways for free advertising. There are several websites out there, for example, MySpace, which will give you free advertising for a person or for a business. It can be very, very detailed and very beneficial to you. If you do a search online, you will also find out there are several websites where you can advertise. Local newspapers have electronic advertising space for free for businesses and for personal ads. Communities have community centers, community billboards, city and town spaces also have free advertising for businesses. For any more information on this topic or any other business topic, you can contact me directly at my email, jniemira@gmail.com.